Well, that's okay. Sam, try to get close. The video me. Here.
Alright, you gonna get him? He's gonna bite you and it's gonna hurt. Look at how cute he is! He doesn't like me. Oh wow, look at that! Oh, Nick, he's gonna get you. Oh my God, he's got his whole arm. Oh. That is awesome. Does it hurt?
No.
He's a baby.
Hey.
That is awesome.
He's trying to eat me.
Looks like a friendly little fella.
Is he soft?
Yeah.
My dad would be freaking out right now.
Oh, don't pick him up. He's breakdancing.
Wow. He's cool.
Walk along the beach.
He's freaking out. He's like, what the hell are you doing, man?
Most people are scared of him. You don't know what to think.
He's teaching you. That is so cool. And it doesn't hurt at all, Nick?
A little bit.
You want to bring him home?
Oh, yeah.
The only thing he can hurt is your eye.
Here you go, Nick.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's just sitting in there. Let me see the camera. Is it on video?
Yep.
Hey.
He's got to get water in there to get it down?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so funny. I'm gonna get my wing.
Here.